Yes, children, today we shall start with Think, Discuss and Write, page number 118 of the chapter Triangle and its Properties. The very first question, what can you say about each of the interior opposite angles when exterior angle is a right angle, is an obtuse angle, is an acute angle? So let us take the first case, this one, when exterior angle is a right angle. So let us draw it. We make suppose this as right angle and let us assume that this is our exterior angle. So we make the triangle. We'll make it something like this. Okay. So what do you say about these two angles? Let us first label it A, B, C and D. Angle ACD is 90 degree, right angle. So what kind of these two angles are? These two are angle 1 and angle 2. These are acute angles. See, this is equal to sum of these two. So these two must be less than 90. So these two are acute angles. So angle 1 and angle 2 are acute angles. So what do we conclude? When the exterior angle of a triangle is a right angle, then the interior opposite angles are acute angles. When exterior angle is a right angle, then interior opposite angles are acute angles. Is this clear? Now we shall do first the third part, when exterior angle is an acute angle. Okay. Let us draw an acute angle. This is the acute angle. Now let us draw a triangle in such a way that a triangle is formed. See, here I have formed a triangle. Let us name the triangle A, B, C and D. Okay. Now what do you observe? ACD. This is an acute angle. Okay. Let us name this angle 1 and angle 2. What do you observe these two angles are? Both are also acute angles. So here angle ACD is acute angle and angle 1 and angle 2 are also acute angles. So what do we conclude here? When exterior angle of a triangle is an acute angle, the other interior opposite angles are also acute. So when exterior angle of a triangle is an acute angle, then the other interior opposite angles are acute angles. Okay, got it? Now let us take the third case. What is our third case? It is when exterior angle is an obtuse angle. This is very important. There are many cases in this. Okay. Now let us make an obtuse angle. Okay. Now we generate a triangle. Right. Let us name it A, B, C and D. Now what kind of triangle is this? This is the exterior angle, which is an obtuse angle. Okay. Let us name this as angle 1 and angle 2. Here we write angle ACD is an obtuse angle. Now what can you say about this angle 1 and angle 2? They are both acute angles. angle 1, angle 2 are acute angles. So, first case we arrive at the conclusion, if exterior angle is obtuse, then other two interior opposite angles are acute. Okay, now let us take the second case. Again we draw an obtuse angle, which is the exterior angle, right? Now we generate the triangle. Let us label it A, B, C and D. Alright, what kind of angle it is? This is the exterior angle which is obtuse, right? Let us name angle 1 and angle 2. What kind of angle you observe this? This is 90 degree, that is right angle. And what kind of angle is this? This is an acute angle. Okay, so what do we observe here? When exterior angle is an obtuse angle, the two interior opposite angles, one is right angle and the other is acute angle. Okay, so we write here angle ACD is an obtuse angle, angle 1 is acute, angle 2 is right. Both are what? Interior opposite angles. So what do we conclude? If exterior angle is an obtuse angle, then the other two interior opposite angles, that is angle 1 and is acute and angle 2 is right angle. Alright, now let us take the third case. This was the second case. Let us again draw a obtuse angle. Okay, this is obtuse angle. We generate one triangle. Maybe the figure is not coming out so well, but yeah. Let us name this as A, B, C and D. What do you observe? So this angle ACD, this is obtuse angle, which is the exterior angle. Now what kind of angle is this? This is again a obtuse angle. What kind of angle it is? It is an acute angle. Okay, so when exterior angle is an obtuse angle, one interior opposite angle is an acute angle and the other interior opposite angle is an obtuse angle. So we write here, if exterior angle of a triangle is an obtuse angle, then one of the interior opposite angles is acute and other is obtuse. Here I have not mentioned that angle 1 is an acute angle and angle 2 is an obtuse angle. All that I have not mentioned, I have stated directly. Is this clear? Now let us come to the next question. The next question is, can an exterior angle of a triangle be a straight angle? So exterior angle cannot be a straight angle. We'll write here, no exterior angle of a triangle cannot be a straight angle. All right, let us see here. See, अगर ये वाला 180 डिग्री हो जाएगा, मतलब कि ये जो आर्म है ये इधर ना होके वापस इधर आ गया, ऐसे हो गया, तो क्या हुआ, ये तो है ही नहीं हमारे पास, हट गया, तो हमारा इंटीरियर एडजेसेंट एंगल तो बना ही नहीं. सो we cannot have exterior angle as a straight angle. All right, now we come to try these, page 118. These are the word problems, children. We start with question 1. An exterior angle of a triangle is of measure 70 degree. What is given? Exterior angle is 70 degree. What is given? One of its interior angle is of measure 25 degree. So one interior opposite angle is equal to 25 degree. Now we have to find the measure of other interior opposite angles. So we do not know the other interior opposite angle, so we will assume let the other interior opposite angle be x. All right, and what do we know? We know that exterior angle is equal to sum of two interior opposite angles. All right, now what is this exterior angle? This is 70. We write here 70 equal to sum of what? Two interior opposite angles. So one interior opposite angle is 25, you write here 25. Other interior opposite angle is x, you write here x. Okay, now this comes this side, what happens? 70 minus 25 equals, this is equal to x. Now 70 minus 25, when you do, you get 45 degrees, that is equal to x. So what do you conclude? That other interior opposite angle is 45 degrees. Clear? Now let us start the next question. Question number 2. The two interior opposite angles of an exterior angle of the triangle are 60 degree and 80 degree. Now the two interior opposite angles are given, which are 60 degree and 80 degree. What we have to find out? The measure of exterior angle. So what do? We assume let the exterior angle of a triangle be x. Then the two interior opposite angles are 60 degree and 80 degree. This is given here. Okay, what do we know? We know that exterior angle of a triangle is equal to sum of two interior opposite angles. Now what we had assumed exterior angle? X. So we write here x is equal to, now it is sum of two interior opposite angles. So what are our interior opposite angles? 60 degree and 80 degree. So we write here 60 degree plus 80 degree. When you add these two, what do you get? 80 plus 60 is 140 degree. Therefore, the exterior angle of a triangle is 140 degrees. Is this clear? Now we come to the third question. Is something wrong in the question? Comment. Now look at the figure. A, B, C and D marked. Now this is what this 50 degrees for representing what? This is an exterior angle. Okay. And this two are interior opposite angles. Right? What do we know? We know that exterior angle of a triangle is equal to sum of two interior opposite angles. Here exterior angle is 50 degree and sum of interior opposite angles is this plus this, that is 50 degree plus 50 degree, that is 100 degree. So what do you observe here? See, exterior angle, this is 50 degree, is not equal to 100 degree. That is the sum of interior opposite angles. So we conclude that here exterior angle is not equal to sum of two interior opposite angles. So the statement is incorrect. Got it? So with this we finish this exercise. In the next class we shall start with the next topic.